This is Samsung Galaxy F54, and today I'll show how you can set up and use the portable hotspot feature on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then enter the Connections category, and here open the Mobile Hotspot and Tethering page. Now open the Mobile Hotspot. Here, switch it on like that. Then you can set the network's name here. So I will set it to Galaxy F54. Then you can set a password for this network. You can, change its mode, change its band between compatibility, optimize it for the best compatibility or best performance. That's up to you. You can switch the security protocol that will be used. What else? You can enable and disable the automatic hotspot feature, but in order to do that, you'll need to have your Samsung account signed in. You can set it to one-time password mode. You can share a QR code for others to be more easily able to connect to your Wi-Fi hotspot. So they just gotta scan this QR code here. And well, I guess that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.